Hello students, let's continue with exercise 3.2. In this video we will be doing question number 8, 11 to the last number, that is 18. The question number 7, 9 and 10 will be done in a separate video because it is based on long division. So let's start with question number 8. It is said, find the square root of the following by finding the units and the tens digit. Now the units and tens digit method which they are saying is quite lengthy. So this method you can even find the square root by a normal method. How do you find the square root of 324? Normal prime factorization, you can do prime factorization. So 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, then 2 2s are 4, then 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, then 3 2s are 6, 2 will carry 21, 3 7s are 21, then 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So like this you have the pairs of 2, 3 and 3. So you will multiply 2, 3, 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So the square root of 324 is 18. This is prime factorization method. Now the units and tens digit method which they are asking you to find is a little complicated. So that method we will only use if it is specifically asked in school to do it. Okay, generally they will not ask you these type of questions. Okay, if they do, we'll do it in later on. So here you do it normally just find the square root of these numbers. Okay, so 529, the square root of 529 is 23. Okay, the square root of 841, the square root of 841 is 29. Remember these. Okay, you can even guess the values. See, always remember the square roots of simple numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40. I'll give you a trick. See, 10 square is 100, 20 square is 400, 30 square is 900, 40 square is 1600, 4 square is 16. So 40 square is 1600. Now if they ask you a square of 841, you know 841 lies near 30. 30 के थोड़ा सा पहले आएगा 841. Okay, so 30 के पहले क्या नंबर हो सकता है? You just have to guess. तो either it can be 28 or 29. Okay, अब 28 का स्क्वायर करोगे तो यूनिट्स डिजिट में क्या है? 8 है. So 8 into 8 is 64. So 4 आ जाएगा लास्ट में, बट यहाँ पे लास्ट में 1 है. So 29 से क्या होगा? 9 into 9 is 81. 1 आया लास्ट में, मीन्स ये 29 का ही स्क्वायर है. ओके, सिमिलरली ये 23 भी कैसे मिला मुझे? 529 है. 529 कहाँ आएगा? 20 के थोड़ा सा आगे आएगा, करेक्ट, और लास्ट में 9 आना चाहिए. सो 21 के स्क्वायर में 1 1 जा 1 आएगा लास्ट में. 22 के स्क्वायर में 2 2 जा 4 आएगा लास्ट में. 23 के स्क्वायर में 3 3 जा 9 आएगा लास्ट में, एंड वी वांट 9 ओनली. सो दिस इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 23. ये एक ट्रिक है जिससे आप यूज कर सकते हो स्क्वायर्स फाइंड करने के लिए. लाइक 676. सो 676 कहाँ आता है? 40 और 400 और 900 के बीच में आता है. ठीक है, अराउंड. तो लेट्स ट्राई 25. व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 25? इट इज 625. ओके, तो 625 से ज़्यादा है, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है, तो डेफिनेटली इट इज़ 26, बिकॉज 6 6 36 होता है, लास्ट में 6 आता है. सो दिस इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 26. ओके, let's do the 11th sum now. 9th and 10th I have told you we'll do it in the next video. Okay, or we have already done in the other video. Now what we have to do here is find the smallest number by which 7436 must be multiplied. Okay, smallest number must be multiplied must be multiplied to make it a perfect square. Okay, so smallest number that should be multiplied with this to make it a perfect square. So अगर ऐसे questions आया smallest number that should be multiplied or that should be divided, ठीक है, तो in both cases you have to do prime factorization. Okay, smallest number that should be multiplied या divide बोला, ठीक है. अगर add या subtract बोला है तो you have to use long division. Okay, so smallest number that must be multiplied. So multiplied के लिए क्या करना है? 7436. Prime factorize this number. Okay, how to prime factorize? Start with 2. 2 3s are 6, 14. 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2, 16. 2 8s are. Then 2 1s are 2, 1 carry. 2 8s are 16, 1 carry. 2 5s are 10. 2 9s are. Then we'll have to divide this number further. This 1859. Now this 1859 is not divisible by 3. Okay, and it is not even divisible by 7. 1859 is not even divisible by 7. Or maybe not divisible by 7, then I'll try 11. Yes, it is divisible by 11. So 11, 1s are 11, 18 minus 11 is 7, 75. So 11, 6s are 66. Okay, so 9 will remain. 11, 9s are 99. Okay, then 169. 169 is divisible by 13. 13, 13s are 169. 13, 1s are 13. Okay, so prime factorization answer is 2, 2, 11, 13, 13. So I'll write here 7436 is 2 into 2 into 11 into 13 into 13. Okay, now you see 2 and 2 are making a pair, 11 and 11 is making a pair, but this 13 and 13 is making a pair, but this 11 doesn't have a pair. Okay, and that is what they are asking, a smallest number that must be multiplied. So which number should I multiply here to make it a perfect square? I should multiply 11. Okay, so now this 11 will also make a pair. Okay, और now this number I have to find the square root of this number, ये जो नया number मिला है. So make pairs, तो एक 2 आएगा यहाँ से इस pair से, 13 will come from this pair, and for both these 11, 1 11 will come down. Okay, so my answer will be 2 into 11 into 13. Okay, that is 286. So first answer was 11. That which number should be multiplied? 11 should be multiplied, and the next answer is 286. The square root of that new number, this whole number, the square root is 286. I hope you have understood the method. The smallest number that should be multiplied. Now the next is, the 12th question is the smallest number that should be divided to make it a perfect square. So again use the same method. The question is 7350. So I will prime factorize 7350. Okay, so 2 3s are 6, 1 will carry. 2 6s are 12, 1 will carry. 2 7s are 14, 1 will carry. 2 5s are 10. Now this number is divisible by 3. So 3, how do I know that number is divisible by 3? Add the digits. 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 5 21. So it is divisible by 321. That means this number is also divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry, 3 5s are. Now it is not divisible by 3. Now I'll take 5. So 5 2s are 10, 22, 5 4s are 20, again 2 carry, 5 5s are, again 5, 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are, 7 7s are, 7 1s are. Okay, so I have got the prime factors, that is 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. Okay, so this 5 and 5 is making pair, 7 and 7 is making pair. In this question they are asking you find the least number that must be divided. Okay, so क्या number मैं divide करूँ इससे so that this becomes a perfect square. So यहाँ पे perfect square क्यों नहीं है? Because this 2 and 3 doesn't have a pair. Okay, that means what I'll do, I'll divide this number by 6. Means 2 3s are 6 होता है, ठीक है? So this 6 will get cancelled with this. Okay, my first answer is divide the number by 6. 6 से divide कर दिया, 2 3 कट गए. अब क्या बचा? 5 into 5, 7 into 7. So can I find the square root of 5 into 5 and 7 into 7? Okay, what will be the square root? Take 1 5, take 1 7. My answer will be 7 into 5 35. Okay, answer is 7 into 5 35. That's it. Next. Question number 13. Find the least 6-digit number. So we have to find a least 6-digit number that is a perfect square. Okay, so what is the least 6? First of all, I'll write the least 6-digit number, normal least 6-digit number. Okay, so the least 6-digit number is 1 lakh. This is the least 6-digit number. Okay, and I will try to find a square near this number. This sum actually must be done using long division method. Okay, must be done using long division. So let's keep this sum on hold. 13th and the 14th one. I'll come to the 15th sum directly. The sums like question number 15 are already done in exercise A. The 3 numbers are given and we have to find the square root of the smallest square that is divisible by all 3 numbers. एक ऐसा square जो इन तीनों नंबर से divisible है, smallest square. So ये हमने already किया है. What are the steps? First we have to take LCM of 6, 11 and 12. Okay, so LCM of 6, 11 and 12 is 2 3s are 11 will come as it is and 2 6s are 3 will come as it is 11, 2 3s are 6, then 3 1s are 11 will come as it is 11 1s are. So my LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. Okay, this is the LCM. Now what I told you that to make it a perfect square, ये 2 तो pair में है, but this 3 and this 11 are not in pair. Okay, so you will multiply it with 3 and 11 so that अब ये 11 11 pair बन गए and this 3 and 3 will become a pair. Okay, and then how to take a square root? Square root कैसे लेते हैं? Take one number each from all the pairs. So एक 2 आएगा, एक 3 आएगा और एक 11. So 6 into 11, that is 66 is your answer. Okay, in the same way, this was the A sum. In the same way, you can solve the B, which I am giving you for homework. You can even refer the exercise 3.1 where we have done this type of sums. Question number 16. 16, 17, 18 are very important questions. The 16th question says, the students of a school went for an outing. If each student contributed as many rupees as there are number of students. So they are saying that जितने students गए उतने ही number of rupees each student ने खर्च किए. ठीक है? If each student contributed as many rupees as there are number of students. So what I'll do? Let the number of students be x. Okay, so the contribution by each student is x rupees. ओके मतलब वो कहने का मतलब क्या है कि अगर 50 स्टूडेंट्स गए थे, 50 स्टूडेंट्स अगर गए थे तो हर स्टूडेंट ने 50 रुपीज़ दिए थे. ओके, दे आर सेइंग दैट दीज टू नंबर्स आर सेम. मीन्स अगर 100 स्टूडेंट्स गए थे तो ईच स्टूडेंट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड 100 रुपीज़. Okay, in that same way, if there are x students, then contribution made by each student is x. Okay, and they are saying that the total amount collected was 2704. Okay, so how to find total amount? Total amount collected is nothing but total amount is number of students into contribution by each student, sorry. Okay, like अगर 50 स्टूडेंट्स गए हैं और ईच स्टूडेंट गेव 50 रुपीज़ तो टोटल कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन कितना हुआ 50 into 50. करेक्ट. सो टोटल अमाउंट दे हैव टोल्ड इज 2704. ओके, कितने स्टूडेंट्स गए थे x, कितना कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन था एक स्टूडेंट का x रुपीज़. सो दिस विल बिकम x स्क्वायर. ओके, समझ में आ रहा है. सी अगर 100 स्टूडेंट्स गए थे और हर स्टूडेंट ने 100 रुपीज़ दिए तो टोटल कलेक्शन कितना हुआ 10,000 रुपीज़ का. इन द सेम वे x स्टूडेंट्स गए एंड ईच स्टूडेंट गेव x रुपीज़, सो x into x becomes x square. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस नंबर. ओके, सो यू कैन फाइंड बाय यूजिंग एनी मेथड. ओके, द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन वुड बी easy. So 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 2 2s are 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14 and again 6. 2 3s are 8s are 2 1s are 6 are 9, 13 13s are 13 1s are. So what will be the square root? These are the numbers. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 13 into 13. Okay, and we have to find the square root of this number. So take pairs and take one number each. Square root sign chali jayegi. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 13. So what will be the value of x? 2 2s are 4, 13 into 4 is 52. So that means the number of students were, write a statement. Therefore the number of students are 52. The next question, the question number 18, no, the question number 17 is also same on the similar lines. Copy each and everything properly. Next, question number 17. Now in a school there were 4,500 students. So total number of students is 4,500 students. The PT teacher wants to make the students sit in rows in such a way that the number of students in each row is same as the number of students as the number of rows. Number of students in each row is same as the number of rows. So they are saying that number of rows is equals to number of students in each row. मतलब लेट्स से अगर एक रो में 5 स्टूडेंट्स है, ठीक है, तो मीन्स टोटल रोज कितने हैं? टोटल रोज भी 5 है, लाइक दिस. जितने एक रो में स्टूडेंट्स है उतने ही नंबर ऑफ रोज है. लाइक लेट्स से अगर एक रो में 10 स्टूडेंट्स है तो टोटल रोज भी कितने हैं, 10 है. ओके, सो नंबर ऑफ रोज इज इक्वल्स टू नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट इन ईच रो. ओके, नाउ दे हैव टोल्ड दैट वंस ये इतने 4500 स्टूडेंट्स को अरेंज किया हमने रोज एंड कॉलम्स में, ठीक है, तो कितने स्टूडेंट्स बच जाएंगे, बिकॉज रोज एंड कॉलम्स इक्वल है. सो इसका आंसर कैसे होगा, एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होना चाहिए. लाइक अगर 5 स्टूडेंट ऐसे है, 5 स्टूडेंट्स आर सिटिंग इन अ रो एंड देर आर 5 रोज, सो टोटल 25 स्टूडेंट्स हुए. ओके, इफ समझो 4 स्टूडेंट्स है इन 4 रोज लाइक दिस, सो 4 into 4 you will have 16 students. ओके, सो अगर टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स 18 हुआ तो 16 अरेंज हो गए रोज में, 2 को बाहर बैठना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, इन द सेम मैनर 4500 स्टूडेंट्स है, उनको जब मैं इक्वल रोज और कॉलम्स इक्वल रोज में अरेंज करूंगा, सम स्टूडेंट्स विल लेफ्ट आउट, सम स्टूडेंट्स विल बी लेफ्ट आउट. सो वो कितने लेफ्ट आउट होंगे वो पूछ रहे हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट the number of students left out is the remainder. Okay, now what is the remainder? Again in this question you have to use the long division method. Okay, so I'll just solve the sum here, copy it down in your book, and later once you understand what is long division you will relate it to the sum. Okay, so now for now just copy it as it is. Make 2 bars here, 2 नंबर की ग्रुप किया नंबर्स को 0 0 45. Just copy it as it is. You won't understand this if you have not seen the video of long division. But don't worry, just copy it, because once you see the video, then you can easily solve the sum. So easily, not to break the sequence, I have solved the sum here. Okay, now this is how you get a remainder in long division method. Okay, so this remainder is your answer. Okay, so your answer is 11 students are left out. Okay, we will be doing this type of long division method later on. Don't worry, just copy it as it is. Eighteenth sum. You can pause the video and copy the sum. 18th. The area of a square park is equal to the area of rectangular field. So they are saying area of square park is equals to area of rectangular field. Okay, means square का area is equals to rectangle का area. Okay, what is area of square? It is side square. And what is area of rectangle? It is length into breadth. Okay, in the question they have given that the length is 96 and the breadth is 54. Okay, so length is 96, breadth is 54. Okay, and what do we have to find? We have to find the side of this square. Okay, so side square is, you can multiply these numbers, 96 into 54, you will get 5184. Okay, so what will be the value of this side? It will be square root of 5184. Okay, let's do the prime factorization. I'm doing it quickly to save time. So this is the prime factorized value, that is 2 into how many 2's? 1 2 3 4 5 6 2's है and 4 3 है. So make pairs. and take one number each. So एक 2 इसके, एक इसका, एक इसका, एक इसका और एक इसका. So 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, into 3 3s are 9. Your answer is 72. So the side of the square is 72. Okay, ये square जब यहाँ पे गया तो root बन गया. So the side of the square is 72. They told that area of square is equals to area of rectangular field. Okay, now let's start with exercise 3.3. In exercise 3.3, question number 1, 2, 3. Seven and 9. These sums are very simple sums, so these sums we will do it today itself. The remaining sums, that is question number 4, 5, 6 and 8, are based on long division method, so it will be done in that video. Okay, let's come to 3.3. Very simple sums, and these type of sums will definitely come in exam for 1 or 2 marks. Now we have to find the square root of 121 upon 625. Okay, square root of this number. So what is the square root of 121? I had told you to study the squares from 1 to 30 and cubes from 1 to 20. Okay, so ये आना चाहिए. अगर नहीं आता है तो लर्न करो 1 to 30 के स्क्वायर रूट्स, या तो एग्जाम में प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करना पड़ेगा जिसमें इट कैन बी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. ओके, सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 121 इज 11, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 625 इज 25. देन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 225 अपॉन 729. ओके, इफ यू डोंट नो you can even do the prime factorization. That is, this is divisible by 3, so 3 7s are 21, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, then 3 2s are 6, 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 5 1s are. So you are getting 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, if you try 729 prime factorization, if you don't know directly the square, if you try the prime factorization, it will go by 3. Okay, so 3 243s are, then 381, 327, 39, 33, 31. Okay, so your answer will be 6 times 3, and then you have to take the square root. Okay, so take pairs, this 2 3 and ये 5 pair बनाएंगे. So जब square root लेंगे तो 1 3 and 1 5 will come, and then here you will make pairs. So 3 pair बने तो take 1 1 number each. 3. अब ये कैंसिल होता है यहाँ पे, सी यू कैन सी द कैंसिलेशन इज पॉसिबल, सो डू इट. सो व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? 5 upon 9. Okay, even if you don't cancel and keep the answer 3 5s are 15 upon 27, even then it is right. Okay, both answers are correct. The C1 is 64 upon 441. Okay, find the square root of this. So 64 prime factorize 64, prime factorize 441. Okay, this sum I'm giving you for homework. You can do it. So 81 is 3 27s, 3 9s, 3 3s, 3 1s, and 576 start with 2 2 2s, 1 carry over, 2 8s 16, 1 2 8s, 2 1s 4 4, and 2 7s 2s, 2 3s 6, 2 18, 2 9, 3 3 3 1. So the square root of 81, I have prime factorized it, and here I have 6 2's and 2 3's. ओके, सो ये पेयर्स बनेंगे 2 3 का, तो क्या बचेगा 3 into 3, and then here 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, and 3 into 3. So take one number each from one pair. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Okay, actually behind the textbook they haven't cancelled these numbers, so you also don't cancel it, keep it like that. Okay, let's come to question number 2. You can pause the video anytime, copy it properly, you have that flexibility, so I will keep on solving, I won't wait for you to copy. You can pause the video and continue. The next question is square root of 32 upon square root of 98. So what you have to do, you have to merge both the square roots. You have to write it like this, 32 into 98. Okay, now split 32, split 98. Do the prime factorization if you do not know directly. So 32 के लिए करो. Okay, and this prime factorization which you do should also be a part of your sum only. Don't do it in rough work. This is a part of your sum. Okay, so 2 16s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 49s, 7 7s, 7 1s. Okay, so this 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times you have 2, and this 98 is 2 into 7 into 7. Correct? Now make pairs. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 pairs. So take one number each, square root sign जाएगा, and take one number from here, one from here, one from here, and one from here. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 7, that is 56 is the answer. Okay, I hope you have understood this type of sums. The B and the C, I want you to do it for homework, the B part and the C part. Okay, the D1 I'll do it for you. Few sums you have to do. You must pause the video and solve it on your own right now and check your answer behind the textbook. That will increase your confidence, help you practice. So pause the video and complete these two sums. Again, merge the numbers, then find the square root of, find the prime factors of each of the number. So 2 52s are 2 26, 2 13, 13 1, 2 1s are 1s are 7s are, and this is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, then 3 13s are, and 13 1s are. Okay, so note down these numbers, 2 into 2 into 2 into 13, and note down these numbers also, 2 into 3 into 3 into 13. ओके, सी इंडिविजुअली इफ यू ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस सम्स नहीं होगा, साथ में मर्ज करना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है। एक 2 का पेयर हुआ, एक 3 का पेयर हुआ, दिस 3 एंड दिस 3 इज मेकिंग अ पेयर, दिस 2 एंड दिस 2 इज मेकिंग अ पेयर। ओके, सो एक एक नंबर लेते हैं, यहाँ से एक 2 आया, इन दोनों में से एक 2 आया, एक 13 आया एंड यहाँ से एक 3 आया है, ठीक है। व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस 2 into 2, 4 into this 3 is 12, so 12 into 13, that is 156 is your answer. Now in question number 3 they are asking you to evaluate. The first question is 5 19 upon 25 and we have to find the square root of this. 5 19 upon 25. Second क्या है B, I'll just copy the question, or B1 is easy, I'll do the D1. 630 upon 289. दो डिफिकल्ट सम्स मैं करता हूँ, 2 you can do it on your own. Okay, now solve this mixed fraction first. How to solve the mixed fraction? 25 into 5 is 125 plus 19. Okay, plus 19 is 144. So you will get 144 upon 25. Now what is the square root of 144? 12. What is the square root of 5? 25, 5. Okay, and write this in mixed fraction again. So 5 2s are 10 plus 2. If you don't know how to write in mixed fraction, see here. Divide the number. 5 divided by 12 है, sorry 12 divided by 5 है, तो divide it like this. 5 2s are 10, remainder is 2. So कैसे लिखते हैं mixed fraction में? ये जो number है denominator में, this remains as it is, ठीक है। The quotient comes here and the remainder comes in the numerator. Okay, remember this, quotient remainder upon divisor. This is how mixed fraction is written. Okay, here in this one 289 into 6 is 1734 plus 30. Plus 30 is 1764 upon 289. Okay, now do the prime factorization and find the square root of 1764. Okay, so 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 2s are 2441. Now this 441 is 21, 21s are 21 1s are. Okay, I know that 441 is the square of 21. You can even try with 3 and solve it further. Okay, so इसका square root क्या होगा? 2 into 2 into 21 into 21 upon 289 is 17 into 17. Okay, you must know the squares of 1 to 30. Okay, now take square root, तो एक एक पेयर लो इनमें से. So ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में एक 2 आएगा, एक 21 and एक 17. Okay, so this will become 42 upon 17. And if you want to make it into mixed fraction, 17 2s are 34, सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो 8. सो क्या होगा? रिमाइंडर ऊपर आता है, 17 नीचे एंड क्वोशंट साइड में. दिस इज माय आंसर. इवैल्यूएट, सिंपल इवैल्यूएशन. Try the B and C question now, right now. Pause the video and try that. Okay, I'll start with question number 7. Interesting question. The area of a square field is given as 132.25 kilometer square. See, एक square field है. This is a square field. Area of this field is 132.25. Okay. We don't know the side of the field. Square means all sides are same. So let the side of the square be. Let the side of the square be x. Let the side of the square be x. And the area is given as 132.25. Okay. Now what is the area of square? Area of square is side square. That is the formula. Okay. Area is already given to you. 132.25 equals side square. Side is x. So x square. Okay. This 132.25 can be written like this. There is a decimal point before two numbers. So 100 aa jayega niche. Okay. Now you take the square root of these. 132.25 is equals to x. Okay, how to take the square root? By prime factorization. Okay, do this prime factorization. This is not divisible by 3. Directly start by 5. Five fives are 25, 5 twos are 10, 4 will get carried, 9. Now this 529 is divisible by 23. 23 23s are 23 ones are. Okay, so what will be the square root? 5 into 5 into 23 into 23, and this 100 is nothing but 10 into 10. Okay, now take pairs 5 5, 23 23 and 10 10. Okay, so take one number each. 5 into 23 upon 10. So what will this be? 23 into 5 is 115 upon 10. So x kya mila? 11.5. Okay, x is 11.5 kilometers. But the sum is not over yet. They have told that अभी हमें पता चल गया that this distance is 11.5. Okay, but they have told a man runs around the field. पूरे field को 3 बार रन किया उसने. ठीक है, a man runs around the field 3 times. Okay, what is the distance covered by him? So 3 बार पूरे field को 1 2 and 3 ऐसे. ठीक है, so if this is 11.5 11.5 11.5 11.5 4 बार 11.5 होता है तो एक राउंड कंप्लीट होता है. करेक्ट. एंड वैसा और 3 बार किया है. ओके, सो टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय हिम इज 11.5 इंटू 4 करेंगे तो ये एक राउंड कंप्लीट हुआ है. करेक्ट, एक राउंड. दिस इज 1 राउंड. और टोटल कितने राउंड्स लिए उसने? 3 राउंड्स. तो ये इंटू 3 होगा. ठीक है, when you multiply this you will get the answer as 138 kilometers. You will get 138 kilometers. Copy the sum from here, copy the diagram as well. See, वो एक राउंड भागा मतलब 1 2 3 4 4 बार साइड को कवर किया. मीन्स 11.5 11.5 11.5 11.5. सो 11.5 इंटू 4 इज 1 राउंड. एंड फिर ऐसा उसने 3 राउंड किया है. सो इंटू 3. ओके, The last sum of the exercise. If there are 4096 students arranged in a playground in such a manner that the number of students in the rows as there are number of rows in the ground. So it means they have told that number of students in each row is equals to number of rows. Okay, means अगर 10 rows है तो हर row में there are 10 students. Okay, if there are 20 rows total तो every row has 20 students. जो भी है वो equal है. Okay, like for example अगर 5 students है एक row में तो total there are 5 rows. समझ रहा है? सी 5 rows and each row has 5 students. Okay, number of students in each row is equals to number of rows. So total students will be equal to number of students in each row multiplied by number of rows. Okay, total students क्या हो गए? 5 students है एक रो में और 5 rows है, so 5 into 5 you will get 25. So in the same way number of students in each row is equals to number of rows. Okay, and let's take this number of students in each row equal to number of rows as x. Okay, दोनों की वैल्यू x है. x students बैठे हैं x rows में. Okay, so take this as x into x and total number of students is 4096. Okay, so 4096 equals x square. So x is square root of 4096. Okay, just do the prime factorization of 4096. Okay, it will be quite big. Then 1024 512 256 128 64. Lot of 2's will come. 32 16 8 4 2 1. Okay, so इतने सारे 2's आएंगे. कितने 2's है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 2's आए. ठीक है, so right here 12 2's. is equals to square root. तो अगर 12 2's है तो 6 pairs बनेंगे. 6 करेक्ट. सब में से एक एक 2 लेंगे. स्क्वायर रूट लेने का मतलब ही है कि दैट मेक पेयर्स एंड टेक 1 1 नंबर ईच. ओके, एंड व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 8 into 8 is 64. So x is 64. That means number of students in each row कितने थे? 64. और नंबर ऑफ रोज भी कितने थे? 64. ओके, मीन्स 64 स्टूडेंट्स थे एक रो में और टोटल 64 रोज थे. तो 64 into 64 टोटल स्टूडेंट्स थे 4096. ओके, सो दिस इज योर आंसर. Number of rows was supposed to be found. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.